Good afternoon, students. Is my voice is clear to you? Okay. So, okay. My screen is also visible to you. Okay. So, hello everyone, and welcome to today's sessions. So, I would like to introduce the today's presenter, Mr. Abhay Chougule, sir. Sir is a science consultant and AI trainer at Roxon's IT Developers Private Limited, Jaisingpur. Sir has 5+ years experience in training. Sir has trained many students on Python, data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI, computer vision, again C Sharp and .NET, web app designers. So these are the many ways where the sir has trained to all the students. So I welcome you, sir, and now I request sir to start the session. Hello, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir, you can present your screen also. No problem.
Yes, sure. I think now it's visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So today we are going to discuss about data science and data science using Python programming. So why nowadays data science is a trending technology and so many people are asking about data science, right? So let's see the total details related with the data science and how the machine learning also useful for the career data science as well as the artificial intelligence. So definitely you will get everything related with the basics related with the data science and even machine learning also. So today's content is that what is data science and how the difference between the languages like Python and other languages, even industry applications, real-time examples, and career in Python programming means with that data science. Okay, there are only the 6 to 7 types details, but definitely you will get everything related with that. The first thing is that my name is Abhay Chougule, and continuously last 5 years continuously I'm working in the data science, machine learning, and even web development. So definitely you will get everything related with the data science. And the first thing is that the first thing, what is the data science? And now I'm going to use the two languages. Definitely you will get everything because Hindi and English. It is It is compatible to you. Then let me know yes or no. Both languages, Hindi and English. If you guys are audible to me, then just let me know. Is it my voice is audible to you? Okay. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
are
It's
going with
audible.
the two languages, Hindi and English, and definitely uh, I'm sharing now this one. So what is the data science? The first thing is that so many people are asking about data science. Why data science is important? So last 10 years continuously, we have seen that huge amount of data set means huge amount of data gathering in the uh, servers. So likely we have used Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. We have social media platforms and continuously we have just collecting the huge amount of data, right? So what is the main thing is that, so don't go with the definition, just I will give you one example to you. Suppose we have one company, like suppose 10 years of company, and the last 10 years continuously that gathering that data about the company. तो सपोज ये 10 ईयर की जो कंपनी है 10 साल से वो क्या कर रही है, डेटा कलेक्ट कर रही है एक डेटा सेट पे, सपोज ऑन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑडियो, ऑन द फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियो, ऑन द फॉर्म ऑफ इवन ऑन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेपर्स। ओके, सो जो डेटा कलेक्ट कर रही है उस डेटा से हमें क्या करना है, डेटा का एनालिसिस करना है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट we have to check what is the future of company, what is the last 5 years of feedback, what is the whole total details related with the data science with that company. So what is the main thing of data science? Data science is a field that collecting the data and extracting the data from the particular insights. You know what is the main thing is that, सपोज हमारे पास कंपनी है, कंपनी का डेटा कलेक्ट किया हुआ है और कंपनी से हमें क्या करना है, प्रिडिक्शंस करना है, एनालिसिस करना है। तो व्हाट इज द मेन थिंग इज दैट, सपोज आईपीएल डेटा एनालिसिस है, आईपीएल का मैच देखते हो आप, आईपीएल में क्या होता है, ऑलरेडी मैचेस जब स्टार्ट होते हैं तब मैच में जो भी चल रहा होता है वो प्रिडिक्शन करते हैं कि this team will win, this team will percentage in this percentage the match will win, right? So what is the main thing is that on the basis of that whole thing is based on the only and only data. So without data, data science is nothing. So you just guys think on it, why data science is important. Data science comes actually that is a part of artificial intelligence, मीन्स ये सब जो भी कंटेंट आ रहे हैं, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, डीप लर्निंग, ये होल कंसेप्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कॉन्सेप्ट 1960 को आया, जस्ट इमेजिन 1960 को। बट व्हाई दैट मच लेट, मींस 2020 को ही इतना ट्रेंडिंग क्यों कर रहा है डेटा साइंस? क्योंकि 1960 को हार्ड डिस्क नहीं था, डेटा कलेक्टिंग का कौन सा भी ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था। मतलब हमारे पास अभी पेन ड्राइव्स है, सर्वर्स है, रैम एंड मतलब हमारे पास सीपीयूज है, जीपीयूज है, बट हमारे पास तब नहीं थे। जो भी आप अभी हार्डवेयर देख रहे हो तब नहीं थे। कॉन्सेप्ट थी, डेटा होता डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में, डेटा होता तो हम कुछ कर सकते थे, बट तब नहीं था। जैसे जैसे 1990 के आगे आते चले गए, सॉफ्टवेयर्स बनते चले गए, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स 1995 से गूगल इमर्ज हो गया, जीमेल्स आ गए, तो डेटा कलेक्शन होना स्टार्ट हो गया। डेटा कलेक्शन से क्या हो गया, तो इससे डेटा प्री प्रोसेसिंग बढ़ गई, डिजिटल डेटा बढ़ गया। और 2005 से लेके आप देख सकते हो फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम ने तो बहुत सारा डेटा कलेक्ट किया हुआ है। इससे क्या पता चल जाता है कि डेटा एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं। So on the basis of past data, we can predict, we can analyze the data, right? हम फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं, एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। तो दैट इज द मेन थिंग रिलेटेड विद द डेटा साइंस। तो आपको लग रहा होगा कि इसका डिमांड है, हाँ। द एडवांटेज इज दैट इट्स ऑन द डिमांड। नाउअडेज द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन द डेटा साइंस। और इसके लिए पेड भी, मतलब जो करियर के लिए जो इंटरेस्टेड है और एंट्री करना चाहते हो डेटा साइंस के लिए, वो भी अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ सैलरी मिल सकती है। द मेन थिंग इज दैट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डेटा साइंस, एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डेटा साइंस आपको तो अभी पता चल जाएगा। एक्चुअली द मेन थिंग इज दैट, सपोज आप यूट्यूब यूज कर रहे हो, यूट्यूब में रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम पता होगा आपको। सपोज इफ यू आर वाचिंग YouTube videos, then definitely if you are listening the voice related with any kind of singer, then definitely YouTube will recommend you similar kind of people, similar kind of singers, artists. रिलेटेड वीडियोस, राइट? मतलब वो क्या करता है, एक आपने क्रिकेट का वीडियो भी देखा तो वो क्रिकेट के रिलेटेड वीडियोस डाल आपके सामने लाके खड़ा कर देता है। सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? डेटा साइंस मतलब जो भी चल रहा है, आपका जो मतलब बिहेवियरल पार्ट है वो रीड करने का काम डेटा साइंस करता है। मतलब जो भी आप ब्राउजिंग करते हो, डे टू डे आप ब्राउजिंग जो करते हो, वो भी रीड होता है। So on the basis of your behavior, he's going to recommend you some kind of things that you already mentioned in the past, right? So what is the main thing is that this is an open source and vibrant community. What is the meaning of that? Open source मतलब ये completely free है। मतलब डेटा साइंस के जो भी लाइब्रेरीज हो गए, लाइब्रेरीज मतलब कम्युनिटीज जो भी है, ग्रुप्स जो भी है, वो completely फ्री है और आप लर्निंग के लिए इजीली आप मतलब आपको मिल सकते हैं, साइट्स भी रेडी है। डेटा साइंस मेक्स डेटा बेटर, यस डेफिनेटली। सपोज अभी लास्ट 10 इयर्स के पहले आप देखो तो हमारे पास इतना माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल है, अभी डेटाबेस हमारे पास, राइट? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल है और हमारे पास ये ओरेकल है, बट पहले नहीं थे। मतलब अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा था, मतलब जैसे भी आता था वो डेटा स्टोर होता था पीसीज में। बट अभी क्या होता है, पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट में स्टोर होता है। तो इससे क्या होता है, हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर डेटा आ जाता है और स्ट्रक्चर डेटा से हमें पब्लिसिटी जो भी है, प्रिडिक्शन जो भी है, और जो डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट कर किस फॉर्मेट में करना चाहिए, वो सब हमारे पास डेटा साइंस की वजह से आ जाता है। The next thing is that data scientists are highly prestigious. Yes, definitely. Because on the basis of data, we have to predict, right? मतलब प्रिडिक्शन करना है हमें कि वो हमारे पास पास्ट का डेटा है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पास्ट डेटा हमें प्रिडिक्शन करना है। इसका मतलब क्या है, जहां हम अभी हमारे पुराने जमाने में ज्योतिषी जो होते थे, जो हाथ देख के पता चल जाता था कि यार ये आपका नक्षत्र है एंड ऑल, राइट? मतलब आपका हाथ देख के वो प्रिडिक्शन करते थे। बट यहाँ क्या होता है, डेटा देख के आपको क्या करना है, प्रिडिक्शन करना है ऑन द फॉर्म ऑफ आप ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस कर लो। मतलब जीयूआई जैसे ग्राफ्स बना लो, जैसे आप ऑडियो से बोल दो, जैसे आप वीडियो से बोल दो, बट आपको क्या करना है, रिप्रेजेंट करना ही करना है। डेटा साइंस मेक्स प्रोडक्ट बेट स्मार्टर, यस। यूट्यूब रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम, इट इज एन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, नेटफ्लिक्स का जो भी अभी आप ऑनलाइन नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हो तो वो भी रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है। ईमेल स्पैम, सपोज आपको अनवांटेड एक ईमेल आ जाता है तो वो स्पैम है या नहीं, ये भी एक प्रकार का एक प्रोडक्ट ही है। बहुत सारे ऐसे फ्रॉड फंडिंग जो हमारे को बैंकिंग सेक्टर में लोन फ्रॉड फंडिंग होता है, वो भी डिटेक्ट करने के लिए डेटा साइंस का बहुत यूजफुल यूज होता है। डेटा साइंस कैन मेक यू अ बेटर पर्सन, या डेफिनेटली। सपोज हमारे पास स्क्रैम्बल डेटा है, उस स्क्रैम्बल डेटा से हमें क्या मिल सकता है, एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा मिल सकता है। स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा मिलने से हमें प्रिडिक्शंस करने के लिए, डिसीजन मेकिंग सिस्टम जाता है, डेटा आ जाता है, प्रैक्टिस होते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन लेने में वो क्या मतलब एक अच्छी तरीके से मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। तो एक अच्छा पर्सन बनने के लिए, मतलब हायर अथॉरिटीज के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा एक कॉन्सेप्ट है डेटा साइंस। और वास्ट लाइब्रेरी सपोर्ट, the last, I think the one of the best concept is that library support. In data science we have near about thousands of libraries, but nowadays the trending libraries are numpy, pandas, seaborn, sklearn, और कंप्यूटर विजन के लिए मतलब इस लाइब्रेरीज को, ये मैं जो अभी इज अ पाइथन, पाइथन इज एन हाई लेवल ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। दिस इज अ वेरी डायनेमिक लैंग्वेज बिकॉज ये कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस का है। मतलब कोड रिड्यूस करने के लिए वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज फॉर द nowadays in our generation python is the best। python 1991 से आया है, बट आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये अभी क्यों इमर्ज हुआ है, अभी क्यों ट्रेंडिंग में आया है। You know what? Python is a versatile, easy to use, and fast to develop. See, I will give you one of the best example in the next slide. but just check out the advantages of the Python. ये प्रोडक्टिव है। प्रोडक्टिव क्यों बोलते हैं इसको? बिकॉज सपोज आपने 10 लाइन का कोड करना है, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट समथिंग काइंड ऑफ दैट in other languages you will get a near about 10 to 15 lines of code, but in the Python you will get only 2 to 3 lines of code. That much is supportive language for you. The open source and vibrant, definitely, as I said in the data science, definitely this is one of the main reason. In the Python programming, then definitely you will get a solution also. So from the community like Python, data science, machine learning, those are the communities. Those are the developers, bunch of developers. They are giving such a nice support to you to solve any kind of problems. Has all the libraries you can imagine. Definitely Python also mathematical languages and scientific libraries also available. So just imagine this is very vast library combination. Great for the prototypes. You can do more with the less code. Yes, definitely you will get this line of meaning in the next slide also. And the portability, definitely in many languages like a C and C++, you need to change your code to run the program on the different platforms, but not in the Python. Once you get the Python code, definitely you can run in the many different platforms. No need to change the code. So what is the difference between other languages like C and C++? World, then definitely in 5 lines of code, right? In the, if you are going to print the hello world, then definitely you will have to put there 5 lines of code. In the C++, you will get near about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of code in the C++, right? Means you have to print no hello world. In the Java, just check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines of code in the Java. But in the Python, you have to write down only print hello world. Just imagine this is the 1 line code. In the other, in as compared to other languages like Java, C, and C++, you will get a near about 5+ lines of code. But in the Python, you will get 1 line of code in the you are going to print the hello world that time, right? So that is why Python is nowadays trending. Means less code and dynamically you can print any kind of concepts, right? These are the tools you can use in the Python language, right? These are the Python tools kind of nowadays latest version of Python, that is in 3.9.0. I think just go for the www.python.org download section. On the basis of your operating system, definitely you will get of the appropriate Python version. Here I'm going to show you something tools. After these slides, I will show you some kind of code that it will useful to you, how these tools can easy to use, right? The first thing is that this one is a PC that is in PyCharm. If suppose if you are going for the web development, Windows application development in the text in the Python, okay, or suppose data science related programming languages, that time just go for the PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE you can use easily. So many people are using the PyCharm. But next thing is that Jupyter Notebook. This one, I will. If you are a beginner and if you want to start your career in the data science, just go for the Jupyter Notebook. This is this Jupyter Notebook is one of the best platform to learn any kind of data science concepts. Jupyter Notebook is a browser-based tool that already resides in the Anaconda environment. See, this one is an Anaconda environment. Anaconda means actually environment. I will show you how to download and how to install this one after this slide. Okay, Anaconda. And then in the last one is in Visual Studio Code. See, this one is already so many people's already used this for the web development, web designing, Visual Studio Code or C++ programming. This is a very dynamic and multi-platform Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now I will show you how to download the Anaconda. If you want to know the how to download the Anaconda, just put it down yes in the chat. If you want Anaconda download option, then put a yes in the chat. So I think you know guys about Anaconda framework. Yes, I think. Okay, so no need to tell about Anaconda, right? Okay. Okay. So the first thing is that Anaconda installation, and second one is then Jupyter Notebook, right? So definitely you will get this one. And now I will show you the this is installation of Python. Means you just go for the python.org and definitely you will get the link of 3.9.0, right? The career in Python, that is an using data science. This one, data science and data visualization and machine learning and artificial intelligence. So I will tell you that main major things that is a difference as well as the core concept. The first thing is that web development, as you know, if you are going for the web development, Django and Fast framework is there. That is next part, different part. Game development, you can develop the games also in the Python. But now we are talking about data science and machine learning, right? Data science is a nowadays data science is a trending, right? If you are going for the career opportunities, definitely you will get a high level of trends in the data science. The first thing is that why mainly we are looking for the data science. The main thing, see, I will tell you. The first thing is that fraud and risk detection, the main thing. So what is that fraud and risk detection? Even we are going to check about healthcare, internet search. So what is the main thing is that in the data science you will get data visualization, scientific methods, statistical methods. If you want to go for the data science concept, the first thing you have to know for Python programming. First thing, if you have the notebooks in there, just write it down. I will tell you the steps to learn data science. The first thing is that Python programming, first thing. The second thing, you'll have to learn basic statistical analysis. Basic statistical analysis. The second thing, already I have told you about basic statistical analysis. Third thing, that is in basic mathematics. So what is the basic mathematics? Linear algebra, probability, calculus, vector. Which one? Linear algebra, probability, calculus, and vector. Four. That is in basics. Actually, you can check about. Don't go for the deeper, but definitely you will. This one easy to learn, right? And the third thing, that is an after the mathematics, you should go for the data science concept, basic data science concept. So before that, we have to know about the applications of the data science. Means what is the mainly used for the data science. The first thing, fraud and risk detection. Fraud and risk detection that comes under the banking sector, even the healthcare sector also. Even the first thing is that banking sector, fraud and risk detection. If suppose there is an any fraud kind of loan sections are there, if suppose transaction halt transactions are there, that will useful in the fraud and risk detection. Another one example, if suppose any bank suppose giving a loans to the peoples, if they want to check out the any kind of person, means depicted person, then definitely this one is useful. In the healthcare concept, if suppose one of the big hospital is there in the area of any kind of cities, and they want to check out the which area is affected for the particular uh, kind of, means any, if suppose वहाँ कुछ कौन सा तो एक वायरस फैला हुआ होगा, तो वो क्या कर सकते हैं, उस डेटा से क्या कर सकते हैं, वो वायरस का डिटेक्शन कर सकते हैं, मतलब वहां से कितने लोग उस हॉस्पिटल में आ रहे हैं। तो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में सपोज ऑलरेडी एक डेटाबेस में डेटा कलेक्ट हो रहा है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिटीज, उस सिटीज से हमें पता चल जाएगा। जैसे हमारे यहाँ लेटेस्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में कोविड 19 का है, कोविड 19 का सपोज 2 स्टेट से, महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटक एरिया से डेटा कलेक्ट हुआ है, तो उससे हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से एरिया में मैक्सिमम पीपल्स आर अफेक्टेड फॉर द कोविड 19 virus, right? That one is a best example. इंटरनेट सर्च में आप डे टू डे लाइफ में हम जो ब्राउजिंग करते हैं वो डेटा स्टोर हो जाता है डेटाबेस में, इंटरनेट पे, राइट? So many people are thinking about when I got deleted my past data, means history, then definitely don't know anyone about our history. But don't think about that. When we search any kind of keywords, then definitely it will store into the data set of Google, right? On the basis of your search, they will recommend you various kind of services on the basis of healthcare, on the basis of your behavioral part, educational part, right? So the next one is that targeted advertising. The targeted advertising concept that comes under the data science, when you are looking for the YouTube videos, and definitely they will show you some kind of what video advertisement. When you see the any kind of suppose entertainment channel, if suppose once you search for the data science courses, and definitely the some kind of advertising recommendation comes to you when you see the videos of any kind of entertainment channels, right? Targeted advertising means whenever you open the what, whenever you are going to open the YouTube channel in your mobile, as well as on the basis of your email id, okay, means they will detect your email id. On the basis of that email id, they will get to know about the person on same email id. He is checking for the data science courses, any kind of service, right? A website recommendation, yes, this one is the best example for that. If suppose you are going for the Amazon site and looking for any kind of product, definitely they will give you the examples kind of the products. One more example I will show you. Suppose you are looking for the any kind of the best software company nearby me. Definitely, the Google itself gives you the recommendation of websites, right? These are the best sites, software development sites. This is one is an best. Next one is advanced image recognition. Advanced image recognition concept that comes under the computer vision. Image recognition, that is nothing but facial recognition, object detection, object recognition, even face recognition, color detection. That comes under the advanced image recognition. Actually, it is an advanced part of data science that comes under the computer vision. First, we have to learn about data science. Second one is in machine learning, and then you should go for the computer vision, right? In the image recognition, you will get OpenCV library. If suppose facial recognition you want to learn, then definitely you will have to learn OpenCV library. Speech recognition, that is an best of nowadays. The which one is that example? Amazon giving you one example, any kind of example, guys, about speech recognition. Amazon providing the product. What is the name of that? Which one? Do you know? What is the name of that product? अमेजोन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है ना एक प्रोडक्ट, कौन सा तो प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, जैसे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो जिस प्रोडक्ट से।
Alexa.
Alexa, exactly. Finally, you get to know that that is an speech recognition means that is a combination of OpenCV library, even data science and machine learning concept also. So just not only for the Alexa, you will have the many examples related with the speech recognition, right? You can do the project also, your final year projects also you can do in the speech recognition. Even you can provide the cyber security concept using the speech recognition. So many IEEE papers are there, so you should go for that. Airlines route planning, yeah, definitely data science is the best example. Means data science concept easily get the airlines routes on the basis of libraries. Just go for that. Gaming, yes, gaming also, augmented reality. Just those are in the field, those are in the field of data science, new in the field data science. Just go for the augmented reality. That is a very easy to learn and very exciting concept. Just go for that augmented reality. The next thing is that machine learning using Python. See, the next step of means after the machine, after the data science, the next step of learning, that is in machine learning using Python. See, we know the machine learning, we know the Python, we know the mathematics, we know the statistical analysis, and we know the data science. After this next step, that is in fifth step, that is in machine learning. If you want to do a career in the machine learning after the data science, just go for it. Why? Because आपने डेटा साइंस तक कर लिया तो 50% आपने करियर आपने बना लिया होगा मशीन लर्निंग में। सिर्फ आपको मशीन लर्निंग में क्या करना है, ऑल्गोरिदम्स पे ध्यान देना है। मतलब द मशीन लर्निंग होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन द ऑल्गोरिदम्स, दैट इज इन सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग, अनसुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग एंड रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग. See guys, what I'm saying, supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So don't go for the applications that I have already mentioned in the slides. But once I want to tell you, the machine learning learns from the past data. See what I'm saying, machine learning learns from the past data. वो लर्न भी करता है, मतलब पास्ट डेटा से लर्न भी करता है और प्रिडिक्शन भी करता है। प्रिडिक्शन करने के बाद फिर से वो जो भी आउटपुट आता है उससे भी वो लर्न करता है। So what is the example of nowadays means machine learning example? The best example for that. Suppose एक रोबोट बनाया है हमने, ध्यान दे दो मेरे एग्जाम्पल पे। एक रोबोट बनाया है, उस रोबोट को हमने क्या किया, एक ओपन स्पेस में एनवायरमेंट में लाके उसको मतलब खड़ा कर दिया। तो उस रोबोट को हमने एग्जाम्पल बताया गया है कि what is the temperature, what is the humidity, what is the wind speed, what is the height of that. Suppose he is looking for the tree, then definitely he will check for the height of that tree. He is looking for the any kind of rock, वहां पहाड़ दिख रहा है और एनी काइंड ऑफ मतलब हिल्स दिख रहे हैं, तो उसकी साइज देखने की जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है हमने उसको बता दिया है, उसको हमने उस पहले ही उस रोबोट को ट्रेन कर दिया है। बट व्हाट इज द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट, he's taking all the pictures, he's taking all the measurements, he's taking the wind speed, humidity, and even temperature, Celsius, and on all these things. But what is the main thing is there, उसने वो रिकॉर्ड्स कलेक्ट भी कर दिए, तो उसके बाद उसको क्या करना है, प्रिडिक्शन करना है कि वहां बारिश होने वाली या नहीं होने वाली। सपोज बारिश होने वाली है तो वो क्या करेगा, वो प्रिडिक्शन करेगा कि यार नेक्स्ट 2 डेज में यहाँ इतनी बारिश होने वाली है। बट उसके साथ ही बारिश के वो उस रोबोट को हमने वहां से मतलब रिमूव किया है क्या, नहीं किया, वहां ही बारिश में ही वो 2 दिन से खड़ा है सपोज। तो 2 दिन के बाद जो भी सिचुएशन है उससे वो लर्न कर रहा है, और उसको मतलब लर्निंग के बाद उसी सिचुएशन, करंट सिचुएशन के हिसाब से वो प्रिडिक्शन फिर से कर रहा है कि व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ 2 डेज, राइट। मतलब वो पास्ट से लर्न करता है, प्रिडिक्शन करता है, फिर से प्रिडिक्शन किया हुआ वो लर्न करेगा, फिर से प्रिडिक्शन करेगा ऑन द कंटिन्यूअस मींस डायनामिकली ही इज लर्निंग एंड प्रिडिक्टिंग, लर्निंग एंड प्रिडिक्टिंग। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, यस और नो? Yes, great. So the machine learning comes under the, as I said, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. And next 2 3 slides, I will tell you what is the main thing is that. The first thing is that supervised learning. In the supervised learning, you will get the data like a label data. Label data मतलब क्या है? Suppose आप आपको किसी मतलब किसी डॉगी का फोटो दिखाया जा रहा है, उसके फीचर्स दिखाए जा रहे हैं, तो उसके साथ साथ उसका नाम भी दिया जा रहा है, मतलब ही इज एन डॉगी एंड दीज आर द फीचर्स. बट अनसुपरवाइज्ड में क्या होता है, डॉगी का नाम बताया नहीं जाता, मतलब ओनली दे विल प्रोवाइड द फीचर्स, नॉट एन डॉगी. वी हैव टू प्रिडिक्ट what is what kind of features. On the basis of features we have to know that that is an doggy, right? And third part is reinforcement. Reinforcement में क्या होता है, डायरेक्टली वी हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम द पास्ट डेटा, मींस ओनली फीचर्स दिए जाते हैं, उससे ही वो क्या करेगा. इट्स काइंड ऑफ रोबोट, एज आई गिवन द एग्जांपल्स. इट्स काइंड ऑफ रोबोट मींस वहां की एनवायरनमेंट में क्या चल रहा है उसको रीड करो, प्रिडिक्ट करो, रीड करो, प्रिडिक्ट करो, खत्म. दैट इज एन रीइंफोर्समेंट, राइट? सो मेन थिंग इज दैट what is the main scenario behind the machine learning, right? See, there are near about 10 to 15 algorithms, baseline algorithms are there you have to learn. But before that we have to know about the applications. See, the traffic alerts, we know nowadays Google Map is there. When your car stuck in the traffic, definitely traffic jam shows in the red light, means red area he will show in the map, right? Social media platforms, best one nowadays. Social media platforms also you have to know about that. Transportation and communicating concepts. In the transportation, you know the transportation concept, means Uber and Ola cab are there. Product recommendation, YouTube recommendation. The one of the best example I will tell you, the product recommendation. If suppose you are buying some kind of product through the Amazon or Flipkart, if suppose you are buying the Apple mobile through Amazon, and definitely you will get a recommendation related with Apple laptops, Apple bag, Apple sack, any kind of Apple related products. So what is the main thing is that that is a product recommendation. The one of the best example for you, that if suppose you are going for the DMart, you know the DMart and Big Bazaar malls, right? When you are going checking for the any body spray, definitely you will get the any similar kind of products or similar kind of soap and any kind of basic in that particular rack, means side by side. So what is that, means if you are checking for the body spray, you will get a soap, you will get a scent and materials, other related materials. That is, you can say, the association rule. That is the best, we can say, association rules, right? The next thing is that virtual personal assistant, that is in chatbot. You know the chatbot, if you have already used a hike mobile messenger, then definitely you will get to know about Natasha, the name Natasha. You can logical person, you can say the Natasha नाम की एक लड़की उस चैट में, चैट बॉट कहते हैं उसको. There is an no any kind of physical interference. That is an directly the application talking with you. That is an virtual personal assistant, right? If you don't know, just go for the hike messenger and you will get the Natasha, right? The next one, self-driving cars. Google and even Tesla continuously working on the self-driving cars, and they somehow they have succeeded in that concept. Dynamic pricing. See, this one is an Amazon continuously using dynamic pricing. Means the same price is different in the different countries. Just check out Google Translator. Yes, we are using online video streaming. Yes, YouTube continuously using that online video streaming. Fraud detection. Yes, fraud detection, that email spamming, that is one of the best example for the fraud detection. I will tell you email spamming how it works. See, this is an example of machine learning, right? This is one that is an spam, checking for the spam. See guys, how to check for the spam concept. If suppose I'm sending you mail, the Google check, please mute your audios. If suppose we are checking for the mails, if suppose I'm sending one mail to you, right? So Google checks my mail, like is there any kind of sensitive words or abusive words. If suppose my email id is blocked by someone, once they get to know about my email id, once they get to know about my content of emails, then definitely he will check for the this category, means categorical data, means that is nothing but you will get categorical concept that will divide into the not spam spam. If suppose my email is a bunch of abusive words, then definitely it goes for the spam. If suppose my email id is new and not reported by someone, then definitely go for the not spam, means general category. This is kind of example, but in the presentation it is looking like very easy. But when you going when you guys are going to present, definitely you'll get some kind of categorical part, means you have to collect the abusive words, raw features, blocked words, and kind of concepts, right? See, this is the one of the best example for the I ever see machine learning, means you can say artificial intelligence. I will tell you. See guys, this one is a small kid, right? And here we have the small dog, right? The kid used to learn about doggy, means उस किड को पता है कि उस बच्चे को पता है कि डॉगी ऐसा ही होता है, मतलब छोटा होता है, डॉगी इज लुकिंग लाइक क्यूट एंड इवन दैट चाइल्ड इज लुकिंग लाइक अ क्यूट, लाइक राइट. बट सडनली उसके सामने हमने बड़ा डॉगी लाके खड़ा कर दिया, तो डेफिनेटली ही विल गेट टू नो अबाउट, मतलब वो डर जाएगा, मतलब उसको पता ही नहीं है कि डॉगी छोटा भी होता है और बड़ा भी होता है. मतलब समझ आ रहा है कुछ? मशीन को लर्न कैसे करते हैं, मतलब मशीन को हम जब भी मल्टीपल डेटा नहीं देते तब तक मशीन को पता नहीं चलेगा कि यार दिस इज काइंड ऑफ डॉगी, राइट? तो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ छोटा बच्चा भी होता है. छोटे बच्चों को जब तक हम मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ, मतलब मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ डॉगीज लाके उसके सामने खड़ा कर नहीं देते कि डॉगी ऐसे भी दिखते हैं, तो तब जाके उसको पता चलेगा कि यार ये डॉगी भी ऐसे होते हैं. बट सडनली सपोज उसको पता भी नहीं है. सो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग, मशीन लर्निंग में वैसे ही होता है. मशीन लर्निंग में क्या होता है, सपोज फेशियल रिकग्निशन कर रहे हो, एक दो पिक्चर्स आपने उसके उसको दे दिए मशीन को, तो रिकमेंड मतलब वो रिकग्नाइज नहीं करेगा. बट सपोज थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पिक्चर्स उसको दे दिए कि यार लुक द अबय लुक्स लाइक दिस वन, then definitely when camera catches me, then definitely he will get to know that the Abhay looks like this. So the best example for you means हमें क्या करना चाहिए, उस मशीन को ट्रेन करने के लिए हमें मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ फीचर्स हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको शो करना पड़ेगा. The another one example that game in the game development you will get PUBG also, civilization game, battlefield game. They are using the concept, means even Python programming as well as the data science concept, but not in the whole concept. They are using some kind of concept in the horror game development. Sorry. See, this one is in top companies. They are using their companies for the Python, means data science and machine learning. The starting salary, those are in the fresher concept, means pressurized mode. They will get above 4 lakh per annum. And so many companies are there. I just mentioned some 10 to 15 companies. But if suppose if you have spent near about 1 to 2 years, definitely you will get above 8 to 10 lakh per annum salary. But you have to put your efforts in the machine learning and data science concept, right? So how many positions are there? See, software engineer, Python developer, research analyst, data analyst, data scientist, even software developer. I will tell you there are many data administrator also, big data analyst also, even machine learning engineer also. See, these kind of career opportunities are there. And definitely, if you know the basics related with the data science and libraries, you will get everything related with the job, means job मिलेगा ही मिलेगा definitely. और यहाँ अभी बहुत ही ओपनिंग्स है, आप करियर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे जॉब्स मिलेंगे, क्योंकि लास्ट 10 ईयर्स से ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है डेटा साइंस। और मैं प्रिडिक्शन भी बता देता हूँ, क्योंकि एज अ डेटा साइंटिस्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू 2048 तक इसका स्कोप कम नहीं होने वाला। जस्ट इमेजिन, नेक्स्ट 20 टू 30 ईयर्स इसका स्कोप खत्म नहीं होने वाला। तो आप यहाँ से करियर स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। जैसे जावा आया था ना, पता है ना, 2000 को, मतलब ईयर 2000 को जावा आया था और ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा था 2015 तक। 15 साल तक जावा का मतलब अच्छी तरीके से मतलब गाजा बजा रहा। तो यहाँ भी ध्यान रखना कि पाइथन लास्ट 2017 से पिकअप कर रहा है। और अभी जस्ट 2 या 3 साल हुए हैं। नेक्स्ट 25 टू 30 ईयर्स तक इसका चलेगा, मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। और डेटा साइंस का फ्यूचर क्या है? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। मतलब आपने डेटा साइंस सीख लिया तो डेफिनेटली जस्ट 2 to 3 years ओनली you will be become a AI developer. So just imagine, put your efforts in the data science concept. If you have any question, just put it down in the chat, or just uh, put your in the audio center. If you have any question, just put it down. Can we develop any real-time application using data science in HR department? Yes. Before that, you have to learn some basics related with the web development, because we have to choose the platform first. Means web development or desktop application or mobile application. You can develop. Data science is an data analytics concept. No, we have to store first basic data. Means we have to know about raw database. Once we get the raw data, definitely you can develop the applications. Okay. If you have any question related with the career in the data science, just put in the chat, because that is the most important. So many people are they want to turn their career into the data science.
Students, if you have any doubt related to this, please ask to sir. Students, do you have any doubts?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's over, no?
Yes. Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I, Snehal, on behalf of KLBC College Nipani, I may like to express our sincere thanks to Abhay Chougule, sir, for giving an excellent coverage on data science with Python and what are the career opportunities are there on this data Python. So this knowledge is very helpful to the student. So thank you so much, sir, for giving this knowledge.
Yes. Thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you, Kelly College. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students, for joining the webinar. Thank you, all of you. Okay, sir. Sir, I will end the meeting, sir.